What's up guys, welcome back with another unboxing video. Today we are unboxing a kids twist car or swing car or wiggle car, as you may call it differently. And it's a twist car for kids above 2 years old. This is a product that we redesigned recently, and we gave them a few brand new colors. And the one we are unboxing today is Nebula Blue. So I'm very excited to see the real color for this one, and without further ado, let's get straight to the unboxing. So I just opened up the top of this box, and I found out there's another layer of box is placed here to protect the product. And now I will just have to try open up the bottom to take out the product. So I hope you liked today's video. If you do find interest in this kids wiggle car, you can visit our official website and start a business inquiry there, or you can shoot us some emails. And we are here to find the best way to get the products to your hand. And one last thing, please don't forget to follow our YouTube account for more great info about our new ride-on products.